Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm with my sister, and we're going to be reviewing slime, my slime, her slime, and my squishies and her squishies. So first we're going to start with the squishies, because there's not many squishies. Let go. So this is the first squishy, this is hers, and it's so soft. It smells like tanning lotion, or a Chinese restaurant bathroom.
So slow rising.
It's not that slow rising, but it's still pretty slow rising.
And it's poop. And it's mine.
Yeah, that's yours. Now, the next one is the Squish Delish Cow Donut. Not very slow rising, but super soft. Smells like coffee. The next one is the Squish Delish pig in a croissant thing. I can't really see that very well.
It's kind of hard though. It's called squishy. It should be squish.
So yeah, and then for the last squishy stuff is this squishy. You could tell I was kind of playing with it. It has a lot of defects on the back too. So yeah, that is all the squishies.
Now
we're going to show you the slime. So the first slime that we're going to show you is this green fluffy slime.
I want to feel it. I want to feel it.
You can later. I don't have much time on this thing. I only have 3 minutes and it's almost up. I will be making a part 2 of this because my phone does not give me much time. So it's not very stretchy, but it is still fluffy slime. So I'm going to answer these to put away. Might close the container. Otherwise, turn it around. And the next squishy I'm going to show
my slime
is this one. It's kind of like a minty slime. Okay, so here it is. It's pretty sticky, pretty stretchy, not very stretchy though. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and slap that bell. We will be making a part 2 of this, so stay tuned for that.